Namaste students. Today I am going to teach you general science. In general science we will study chapter 5 inside the atom. Write down the number of electrons present in the outermost shell of each of them. Here see this first table. Name of element is given, its a symbol also given. Here Z means atomic number, the number of electrons in the outermost shell. Here first example of element hydrogen, its a symbol is H. Atomic number is 1, means number of electrons present in hydrogen atom is 1, and therefore number of electrons in outermost shell is 1. C means carbon. This is symbol of carbon. There are 6 electrons, therefore its atomic number is 6. And number of electrons in outermost shell 4. Next element is sodium. Its atomic number is 11, means number of electrons present in atom of sodium is 11. Electron configuration of sodium is 281, and therefore number of electrons in outermost shell is 1. Next here chlorine, this is Cl is a symbol for chlorine. Atomic number is 17. In outermost shell of chlorine there are 7 electrons. Next the nitrogen, its a symbol is N. Here atomic number is 7. Number of electrons present in outermost shell are 5. See this next table. Element, number of electrons, electronic configuration, number of valence electron and valency. First example of element here lithium. Li is a symbol for lithium. Number of electrons 3. Electronic configuration 2 1. Number of valence electron 1 and valence is 1. Next here carbon. Number of electrons 6. Electronic configuration 2 and 4 or 2 4. Number of valence electron 4 and valence is 4. Here Mg means magnesium. Number of electrons 12. Electronic configuration 2 8 2. Here number of valence electron 2 and valence is 2. Here oxygen, atomic number is 8. Electronic configuration 2 6. Number of valence electron 6 and valence is 2. Why valence of this oxygen is 2? Because to complete this outermost shell of oxygen atom, oxygen require 2 electrons, and therefore valence of oxygen is 2. Isotopes. The atomic number is a fundamental property of an element, and it's a chemical identity. Some elements in the nature have atoms with same atomic number but different mass number. Such atom of the same element having different mass number are called isotopes. For example, carbon has 3 isotopes, namely C12, C13, C14. The mass number of isotopes is also represented by another method. Here 12C, 13C and 14C. The isotopes have same proton numbers but different neutron numbers. See this example. Isotopes, mass number, proton numbers and neutron numbers. 12C is mass number is 12, number of proton 6, number of neutron 6. 13C, here is the one example which is a same element 13. C means 13 is the mass number of this carbon. Here number of proton 6, but number of neutron 7. 14C, here mass number 14, number of protons 6, but number of neutrons 8. Means same numbers of protons present, but different numbers of neutron present in that particular atom, and therefore these are isotopes of carbon. Uses of isotopes. Isotopes of some elements are radioactive. They are used in various fields such as industry, agriculture, medicine and research field. First, uranium 235 is used for nuclear fusion and production of electricity. 2. Some radioactive isotopes like cobalt-60 are used in the medical treatment of fatal disease like cancer. Third, iodine 131 is used in the treatment of goiter, disease of thyroid glands. Fourth, the radioactive isotopes are used for detection of cracks, leakages in the underground pipes. Example, sodium 24. Fifth, radioactive isotopes are used for food prevention from microbes. Sixth, the radioactive isotopes C14 is used for determining the age of archaeological objects. Thanks for watching this video.